Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. It is Sunday dinner. And what am I going to make with Sunday dinner? I was looking around the house here and I say, you know, I had my I had a beef process, about a month ago. So in there I see these tenderized round steaks. Now I have a lot of these in the freezer, y'all. Probably about 20 packages of these that I have processed. And I say, why not pull a package of them? And this is normally I use for chicken fried steak. I say, you know what? I'm gonna do some smothered cube steak with this. And that's what I'm gonna do. Look how pretty those are, y'all. These are freshly processed. This calf was alive probably a couple of months ago, walking around holly and jolly. And I can see the date on them. See the date on there? Let's see, what's the date on there? June 12th, 2023. That's how fresh these are. Huge steaks. Some meat in the store, you don't know how old it is, but I have my whole beef processed. So what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna step off. I'm gonna wash these up. I'm gonna cut them in 4 pieces. I get 4 steaks out of one. You see how big I'm gonna do? One down there. So I'm gonna have 8 pieces. You know when I cook, I always cook a lot because neighbors gonna come up and get some smothered cube steak and mashed potatoes. And the potatoes I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna take some red BLISS potatoes. I'm gonna smash them, hit a little butter and a little sour cream, salt and pepper. Might put a little milk in there. That's it. We're gonna have meat and potato. I'm gonna saute this beef up with some gravy. Have some onion gravy. It's gonna be on and popping here on the Sunday afternoon after church, y'all. So anyway, I'm gonna step off, get the meat all washed up, get it cut in 4s, and we're gonna get this party started. We'll be right. Old school smothered cube steak. Sunday afternoon dinner idea, favorite. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Okay, y'all, that's what we make. Old school smothered cube steak, y'all. Let me show you what we got here. Got everything ready. Let me show you what we got. We got some nice, all this is round steak, y'all. It's tenderized, and I cut it in 4 pieces. Right here, got a nice round steak. They tenderized it for me. And like I told y'all, this is fresh round steak. This stuff ain't been sitting around 2 or 3 months or whatever. It's fresh. Okay, I got tenderized round steak. Got some all-purpose flour. I got some chopped garlic, Worcestershire sauce. I got some beef stock back there, sliced onions. We're gonna put it in there, and some salt and pepper, a little Cabernet grease seasoning. That's it, y'all. So anyway, we're gonna get this party started here. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Let me get organized. Get organized here, Chef Jeffrey. Get organized. So what I'm gonna do here, hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. All right, y'all. We're gonna season this round steak, salt and pepper. Y'all know all I use a little salt and white pepper. I'm gonna put a little Cabernet. I do not use too much seasoning. It doesn't take all that, y'all. I see people use 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8 seasoning. It don't take all that. Do not use that much seasoning on your meat, y'all, because y'all been watching enough. You use too much seasoning, you don't taste the natural flavor of the meat. All you usually take is a little salt and pepper, because you just want to enhance the flavor, and that's it, y'all. You want to season, you don't want to over season. Okay, got that, and I got 2 more here. A little salt and pepper here. We're going to season them liberally now. So this is the only seasoning we're going to put in. We might put a little on the gravy, but I'm not putting any seasoning on the flour. A little bit more on here. Might look like a lot, but remember this got to simmer in the oven about an hour. So anyway, wash my hands here. And y'all hear the skillet over here? Not the skillet, but the Dutch oven over here heating up, ready to taste some food. Okay, all I'm gonna do now, y'all, move y'all over here, and we're gonna flour this and put it in here and get a nice color on this bad boy. All I'm gonna do, it's so tender, y'all, so tender. Put a little flour on there. We're gonna go right in there with that. We just wanna get a nice color on there. We're gonna take them off, and we're gonna put them back in later. Right now, all I want to do is kind of get a good sear on them, nice color on them. That's all I'm trying to achieve right here. So what we're going to do, we're going to get a nice color on all of them, come back, and I'm gonna show you the next step. It's very simple, very easy, and very quick Sunday afternoon meal. Old school smothered cube steak. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all, look at this here. Now, we're going to turn this over here, and this is the last of it. We're going to take it out. That's the color you want right there. This stuff is nice and almost, it looks like it's tender, but it's an illusion that it's tender because you got to go in the oven for about 1 hour, y'all. We're going to get a nice smother on this. We want this falling apart tender. See that? That's what you want. You got all them, as Emerald would say, those yum-yums in there. I got my potatoes back there cooking. Look at that. The red BLISS potatoes, man, gonna mash them down. That's gonna go good with this smothered cube steak, y'all. So we're gonna take this out here. See that nice color on there? That's what you want, y'all. That's all you want right there. See that? Nice color. Okay, we're gonna set this to the side. Okay. See that nice yum-yums in there? Look at that. Look at those nice yum-yums. We got onions. Onions gonna take care of that. We're gonna throw them onions in there. That onions gonna do two things. We're gonna caramelize the onions, and them onions gonna help take all that stuff off the bottom of the pot. That's what them onions gonna do. The moisture for the onions, as they cook, you'll see all that, all them, as Emerald would say, all them yum-yums gonna come off the bottom. We're gonna cook that down. Then we're gonna add some garlic. Let that garlic cook a little, and then we're gonna add a little flour to that. We gotta get some color on this thing, y'all. Gotta get some color on this thing. Now we throw that flour in there, we'll add the beef stock. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. See how them onions done took all them yum-yums off the bottom? Look at that. That's why I say don't throw them little bits and pieces away. That's flavor, y'all. It's all about flavor. Okay, now we're gonna add some, we're gonna add the garlic to the party. Garlic say he wanna come to the party. Add a little garlic in here. Oh, it's smelling amazing, y'all. Wish y'all could smell this. Smelling amazing right here. It's all about building flavors, y'all. Saute it up a little. All right, dirty flour lady, get ready. Where's the dirty flour lady? Honey? I hear her now, honey. You ever hear using this flour? He using this flour again and he didn't throw it away. I can hear her now, y'all. Dirty flour lady is getting upset. We're going to upset the dirty flour lady. Okay, y'all, we're going to add that flour that we breaded the meat in. We're going to add that. That's what's going to make our gravy. This is what's going to be the thickener for our gravy right here, y'all. Automatic thickener. We're going to get a little color on this, y'all. We're going to get just a little color on here. That's what's going to get the color to the gravy. We're going to kind of cook that little flour taste out of there. Don't worry, y'all. Just don't burn it up now. We're going to get just a little color on there. Then we're going to add our beef stock. Have your beef stock ready. Have your beef stock ready to go. Yes, sir. We're going to cook this flour out just a little with them onions. Just a little, y'all. So don't worry about the lumps, because there's going to be some lumps when I first throw it in there. But I got something for them lumps, y'all. Okay. All right, y'all. We're going in with our beef stock. We pour all our beef stock in there. Get all the beef stock here. And then we're going to change and get my whisk here. We're going to get the right tool for the job, right? We're going to whisk that up like that. Look how pretty. Look how pretty. That gravy already pretty, ain't it? And get all them lumps whisked in there. See that? And I'm going to throw some Worcestershire sauce in there. Y'all know I love my Worcestershire sauce. Throw a little Worcestershire sauce in there. Throw that in there. Hold on, my whip coming apart on me, y'all. Whip trying to come apart on me here. There we go. Oh yeah. I'm gonna add a little bit more beef stock. A little bit more. I'm gonna rinse this, I think I'm gonna rinse out my thing here. Had a little beef stock remnants in the bottom. So make sure that's nice and smooth. Look at that. Gonna have a big old pound of brown gravy. See how natural gravy that is? This is natural brown gravy, y'all. This is the way the chefs do it. We don't put artificial color and nothing in it. Just natural. That's the best gravy you can make right here. Okay. Y'all with me, y'all? Y'all still with me? or somebody sleep. Okay, we're gonna turn this bad boy off. You know what? I'm gonna put a little bit of, not much. I'm gonna put a little bit more salt in here. Not much, because remember I seasoned the steak really good. I'm gonna put just a little salt. I know I need to add salt. That's just by experience, but just kind of balance it off. Okay, we're gonna turn this off. Now we're gonna add the steaks back to the party. Steaks say they want to come back to the party. So we're gonna add them steaks right back in there, y'all. And we're gonna put this bad boy in the oven for about 1 hour, y'all. 1 hour, we're gonna put this bad boy back in the oven. And then it get nice and tender. That's flavor. Pour all that flavor in there. 1 hour, 350 degrees for 1 hour. We're gonna come back and we're gonna do these mashed potatoes. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. All right, y'all, we're gonna make some mashed potatoes with this here. All I got here, look at this, y'all. I got some red beef potatoes. We call them red BLISS. Some people call them red potatoes, new potatoes, however you want to call them. But just don't call them late for dinner, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna smash these potatoes. We're gonna call them smashed red BLISS potatoes. All I'm putting on there is butter, sour cream, a little salt and pepper. That's it. So anyway, y'all, let's do this on turn this off here. I'm gonna smash them right in the pot, y'all. Okay, let me move y'all over here. Move y'all over here. We got our butter and sour cream there. That's all we're gonna use. I'm gonna take them. We're gonna drain them. Pull that water off of them. We're gonna put them right in the pot, y'all. Put them right in this pot here. See that? Look at that. That's the easy way to do them. Easiest way to do them right here. Got the pot right there. I'm gonna throw this butter in there and let the residual heat. Put a little salt and pepper. Residual heat is gonna a little salt and pepper in there. Gonna put a little sour cream, and the sour cream we're gonna add little by little as we need it. We might not need a lot of sour cream. And you can add some milk to this if you want to. A little sour cream in there. Put that on there. We just got our potato masher here. We're just gonna mash them down, y'all. Just like this. Mash them right there. Mash them down just like this, y'all. See that? Potato masher. Why it's called smashed red potatoes there. See that? You can use a bowl. Of course, I need to add more sour cream. Butter gonna make a nice, so you really don't need to put milk in this, y'all. We'll put a little bit more sour cream in here. Let's see. Little as much as you want in here. See that? Look at that. Nice and creamy. See how creamy that is? That's good old mashed potatoes there. We're gonna give it a taste here and see. We're gonna see if we need any more. See if that good, y'all. It's that good. I'm knocking over my tripod again. Been doing that a lot lately, y'all. Let's give it a taste here. A little bit more salt and pepper. And we good to go. Mash them up a little bit more. There we go. Put that off of there. My spatula here, go around in there. Make sure it's good and mixed. There we go. Look at that. That's gonna be perfect for those smothered cube steaks that's sitting in the oven right now. So we're just gonna set this to the side. Look how creamy those are, y'all. That's good eating that. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back here. Once the cube steak's ready to come out the oven, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, it's been 1 hour. 1 hour here, and we're gonna check this out here. We're gonna see what we got here. Well, after 1 hour in the oven, 350 degrees, this is what you got right here, y'all. Look at that nice gravy. I can tell that nice, see that natural color? What I told y'all. Gravy give your own natural color. See that? A nice thick onion gravy here. We're gonna try to pick one of these up because I know they're so tender. Gotta pick one of them up here. See how tender that is? You don't want them falling completely apart. Look how they just come apart. Wow, y'all. Let me show you again. Look at that. It's hot here. Let me show you. You get a fork here. Man. Look how they just, look at it just comes apart right there. Oh my God, just so fork tender, y'all. So what I'm gonna do here, step off here. Look at this, y'all. Look at that, look at that, look at that gravy. So I'm gonna step off here, y'all, and we're gonna get me a plate here. I got me some, I got my mashed potatoes here and show y'all here. I got me some old school green beans here. See them string beans? And what it is, I had some old school, which I keep canned, my mom would say put away beans. I've had these, I did 20 last year and I got about 12 left, 11 left, y'all. You know, I can everything, y'all. Y'all already know that. And I'm going to use some of these. It'd be a good time to use some of these on the side of this. Good old homemade string beans, canned string beans, and with some mashed potatoes. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. I'm going to get me a plate, do that world famous YouTube thumbnail, and we're going to see how this is. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Look at this, y'all. Look at this nice plate. Got them smothered cube steak. Got those nice green beans on there. Look at them look at them mashed potatoes on there. Nice red big mashed potato. That's a Sunday meal right there, huh? That's a Sunday meal. And like I told y'all, I want my meat tender, but I don't want it falling apart. I want it to stay together. See how it stays together on the plate? I don't want it crumbling. That's why I cook it only 1 hour. See that? That's why you're going to use a knife for this, y'all. I mean, it's going to be fork tender. You ain't got to cut it that much. I want it tender, but I don't want it falling apart tender. So get a little mashed potato on there. See that? How tender that is? Look at it. It's fork tender now. See that? Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Going in. Oh, wow. Pepper is cooked, y'all. And it is fork tender. I'm just keeping it fancy with the knife. You can definitely cut it with the fork. Look at that. Put a green bean on there. Or string bean. That's a good bite there. Good bite there, ain't it? Going in. Oh, wow. I need some light bread and some buttermilk biscuits. And we're good to go. We're good to go there, y'all. Anyway, Sunday afternoon meal, definitely put you to sleep, huh? Definitely put you to sleep. Well, anyway, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023, just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.